The 911 show alarm issue comes from persistent notifications or sounds triggered by the TV series 911, often from streaming apps or smart devices reacting to siren sounds. These alarms can be notifications, smart device triggers, or looped app sounds that disrupt your experience. First, identify if it's a notification, a smart device alarm, or a looped sound from the app. To stop the alarm immediately, force close the affected app or reboot your device. Adjust notification settings in the app, such as Hulu's Notifications tab, to disable episode teasers or enable quiet mode. On your device, enable Do Not Disturb or Focus modes to silence notifications. To prevent future issues, regularly check app permissions, enable selective notifications, and consider ad blockers. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the 911 show alarm issue, here are advanced fixes and prevention strategies. First, clear the app's cache. Go to Settings, then Apps. Select the app, navigate to Storage, and clear the cache to remove stored data that might be causing the alarm loop. For smart home devices like Google Nest or Amazon Echo, disable ambient sound alerts in the device's companion app to prevent the siren sounds from triggering. To prevent recurrence, enable selective notifications to whitelist only critical alerts. Also consider using a VPN or ad blocker to reduce promotional spam. For iOS 18 users, enable emergency override in settings to prevent accidental triggers from show-related simulations. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the problematic device to restore it to original settings. Remember to check for and install app updates, as developers frequently release patches to address these notification issues. Looking ahead, by 2026, the FCC will mandate opt-out emergency simulators in apps, further reducing unwanted alarms.